Welcome to the unboxing of the ARB Jump Starter Professional. This is not intended as an in-depth review, just simply to show you what it looks like when you unbox the unit. Side here it shows you specifications, a few of the features. That's it. What it looks like. Get it out eventually. Okay. It's a nice rugged case, very well put together, good carry handle, and let's open it. Okay. What have we got? This side is this goes into the cigarette lighter, a 12-volt outlet in the car, and that goes in, looks like the charging. Here's the main unit itself. Torch, back, and nice carry handle, and turn it this way. There is the output, 12 volt 10 amp output, cigarette lighter type output. The input for charging and output 5 volt 2 amp, output 5 volt 1 amp. There's the input for the charging of the unit. Two USBs outputs, and this side here is the output that goes to the battery. Turn it on there, and that tells you the state of charge of the unit. Oh, what I'm doing there is turning the torch on and off. Anyway, so there's the part, the charging bit here. Goes into there like that. Also have the mains plug output, plug into your power point, and this for an Australian plug, and it goes into back over there, and they give you a, looks like an iPhone lightning connector, USB for charging your iPhone, Myself, I have an Android phone, and this is the part that goes to the battery. Negative, positive, quite strong, quite good units there. And this here shows you a little LED for reverse connection of these onto the battery. Correct, telling you that it's correct, positive and negative. And here is the boost button. And that goes into this part here. That goes into there. Like that. Okay. Let's pull it out. I chose this one because I like the carry case. It's 24,000 milliamp hours, which is quite good. Starting current 500 amps, peak current 1000 amps. Well, I have another unit, but not one of these, a different brand, which is okay, but its carry case was just a soft material, which was a little bit difficult to carry. I like the look of these ones. So that's it. Thanks for watching.